jump in the air, you want to go in the tuck shape and then out the tuck shape and dive through the water with your hands first. So you start the same way, alright, just like you dive, arms up, okay, you jump, again trying to jump up over the bar, but once you take off, go in the tuck shape, then out the tuck shape, and then your momentum should carry over to the hand.
Okay, I'll try.
Alright, so break it down, jump, in, out, stretch, hand.
Jump, here, okay. And then you still enter the water like this?
Yeah.
No.
Wow. How's the back?
What's your name?
Kyle.
Kyle. Say hi to YouTube then.
Hello YouTube.
Yes, boy.
No, when I come this way, put the picture back. Come say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
What would you like to say to YouTube?
Hello.
Is that it? Oh, you want to say?
Hey, you can't boy. Jonas, don't touch it. Don't, get up from there. Get up from there.
Yo, what's going on guys? I'm back out in Jamaica after almost 4 years since I've last been here, and I'm with Martin Lynn, the president of the ASAJ, who is helping me with everything that I do for diving for Jamaica. He's helping out with it, first contact with Jamaica since 2012, and we're at the National Stadium, which is just right there in the background. Can't quite see it here, but the main thing is we've got a diving pool. I'm here at the diving pool in Jamaica. They've got a diving pool, just platforms at the moment. They held the 1966 Commonwealth Games here. So, what's that? 40, 50 years ago, more. And they've got the platform still, but they don't have any springboards. So that's something that we're working on to try and get some springboards in here. So when I do come out here, I can actually do some diving. I can do little bits on the platforms, but you know, I'm not a platform diver. I don't like that board up there. I don't like that. I like the springboards, I like the low ones, so I need to get some springboards out here so when I come out I can actually do some proper training. But yeah, this is the Aquatics Centre. They've got the swimming pool up here, they've improved it, they've added some extra bits since the last time I've been here, which is awesome. So I just need to try and step up this area, get some springboards in, get a coach in, start building up some Jamaican divers who can follow hopefully in my footsteps. But right now I'm just going to get in and actually do some dives. I've got British Nationals next week, so I'm actually doing some prep for that. I've actually got things to do, but yeah, I'm going to get in and do some dives. There's some girls up here who've actually come out of school this morning. They've skipped their lessons this morning to come and watch me do some diving. Yo, say hi.
Hi.
They've all come out of school this morning to come and watch me dive, which, you know, fair enough. I'd take every single opportunity to miss school. So yeah, I'm going to get in the pool now and do some little bits.
her 15 to 18, Jamaica's first ever Olympic diver Yona Night Wisdom had a short visit to the island. His main reason was to attend the National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year awards put on by the RGR Gleena Sports Foundation. While here though, Night Wisdom visited the National Stadium pool, and based on a post on his social media pages accompanied by a picture of him surrounded by 4 females from the Immaculate Conception High School, he said, "These girls are swimmers, but were so interested about diving that they missed school to come watch me yesterday and ask me some incredibly intelligent questions. I told them to bring their swimsuits today, gave them a 45-minute lesson, and they learned a lot very quickly. There is potential here for sure." But it wasn't that post that had many people talking. Instead, it was one from the Jamaica Gleena where Night Wisdom was seen, notably, in swim trunks only. That is his competition and training gear, by the way, talking to these immaculate swimmers. The responses on social media were noteworthy. One individual said, "I don't feel comfortable watching this video." Another individual commented, "Move your," I cannot say that word, "from in front him pitney them. Go put on clothes." Go and put on clothes if you don't understand the patois. Did Yona Night Wisdom do anything wrong?
Okay, because you will edit your own thing.
Right,
okay.
so you remember the hand grab, show me. Yeah, got that. Good, good, good. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to start a full set there. Yeah. So you ready to get in? Yeah. Let's start with the most simple skill. Right, so you have your hands grab, stretch up above your head, nice and tall. And all you're going to do is just do a forward jump into the water, but you've got to keep your hands grabbed all the way into the water until you're underneath. Alright? If you want to go first, just jump. Yeah. Jump as high as possible, stretch up, and then straight down through the water. Okay. When you jump, you got to try not to lean forward. You want to jump and stretch your arms as tall as possible so you go straight through in one line. That's alright. That's alright, but you gotta try and get all the way back out of it. Try and get all the way back out of it.
Nice.
Ready? So hands grab. So squeeze your ears. Then you look kind of through your hands so you can kind of see where you're going. You want your hands to hit around here. Alright. As soon as you fall, you stretch down towards the bottom of the ball. Alright, like this. Ready? So you just fall, stretch down, and just come straight back up.
Ryan, stop thinking, just do it. Stop thinking, just do it.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
No, that wasn't bad.
And that was the right technique.
Nice.
Yeah, well done.
Good.
Oh, good.
Yes.
I think I look much better.
That's because you're a swimmer. It feels wrong, that's because you're a swimmer. Like to swim and dive, but without using your arms to go that way. When the arms go up, and you got to imagine something in front of you, you got to jump up and over. Yeah. So imagine like I was holding like a bar or something like this, right? Up and over it like a dolphin.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're the best pipe. You're the best pipe ball. You're the best pipe ball. All right. So your arms start up. So you jump up. Imagine something in front of you. You got to jump up and over, and then stretch down. Same thing that you did under the water. That's not too bad.
I don't know. I can't tell you. I really don't.
Yeah, that's not too bad. That was like a combination of swimming and diving. We're gonna do the forward dive that you just did, right? But you remember the tuck shape that we made earlier? Yeah. So when you jump in the air, you're going to go in the tuck shape and then out the tuck shape and dive through the water with your hands first. Let's see if you can figure that out. So you start the same way, alright, just like you dive, arms up. Okay, you jump, again trying to jump up over the bar, but once you take off, you're in the tuck shape, then out the tuck shape, and then your momentum should carry over to the hand.
Okay. Ready? Let's go. It's your turn to start.
Who's feeling confident this?
Okay, I'll try.
Okay. Alright, so break it down. Jump, in, out, stretch, and
Jump, here, there. And then you still enter the water like this.
Yeah.
Wow. How's your back?
Front tuck.
That was a little bit too much, but good try.
Your
turn, Rian.
A little bit too much.
I tried the tuck and I just started rolling.
Yeah. It was a little bit too slow into the tuck shape. You gotta make it feel a little bit more like a jump, just like the dive rather than really like attacking the somersault.
Okay.
Make it like go up and then in and out. Alright, don't worry about what you just saw. Forget about that. Think about it. You know what you're doing, you got the control, right? So you jump and dive, in, out,
Hallelujah.
stretch with your hands
Sorry.
You can picture it in your head,
Yeah.
but it's a whole other thing.
Actually execute it. Yeah, that's the thing. And it's easy to kind of understand it in your head, but to make the body do it when you don't really understand the process of the movement, it's really difficult.
Okay, you just made everyone feel nervous. You don't have to try it and like just try it. I love you, but just go. You just have to kind of try it and just feel the movement.
Sometimes you got to try it. It's not always going to be perfect the first time around. That's diving, unfortunately.
Yeah, that was a visual representation.
Of what not to do?
Yeah. So your second one will be perfect now, right? Go on, who's next?
Alright, fine.
Yeah.
Jump up before you turn.
Yeah.
Good.
Nearly. That's almost it. It's fine. Also, like, it's only poolside, so it's not going to kill you. The water will save you.
Yeah,
no
it will save you.
Yeah.
Nice. Come on, Daredevil.
Rian.
Just go for it. It doesn't matter. Just go for it.
I did that first. Yeah.
That's literally as soon as you jump, you get in. You don't have to go all the way in. Just like bend your knees, tap your legs, and straight out.
Yeah, it's fine.
Woo!
First attempt was better than mine.
Very good.
We're at exit the pool.
Not too difficult, right? Not too difficult.
Your first attempt
Yeah.
was so much better than mine.
That's the thing, when you overthink it, especially with diving, when you overthink it starts to like complicate your head. It starts to seem more difficult than it actually is.
Oh no.
So then when you actually do it, your body is much more capable than you think it is, for sure.